Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to set up or use the Apple CarPlay on the Kia Seltos, then this video is for you. So actually the process is pretty much same for all the models here, included the Seltos. So first thing you have to do that enable the CarPlay on your Kia. Then press the set up button on your vehicle's display. Then navigate to connectivity and ensure Apple CarPlay is turned on. Now connect your iPhone. Plug your iPhone 5 or newer into the Kia USB port using a lightning cable. Your phone will automatically sense and the CarPlay icon will appear on the vehicle's display. Then start using Apple CarPlay. Accept any prompts or agreements, then tap the CarPlay icon to access features like maps, messages, and music. So whether setting it up on the Kia cars or so, getting started with CarPlay is quick and easy. So if you got this, if so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.